Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tom Yum Kung soup. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, 8 ounces of straw mushrooms, and essential aromatics like galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves. Also, prepare your flavorings: 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's create the heart of our soup, the aromatic broth. Bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium pot. Add your prepared galangal, sliced lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves to infuse the water with their distinct fragrances. After a few minutes, introduce the 8 ounces of straw mushrooms and 1 pound of fresh shrimp. Cook gently until the shrimp are just pink, which usually takes only 2 to 3 minutes. Now comes the exciting part: balancing the iconic flavors of Tom Yum Kung. Remove the pot from the heat to prevent overcooking the shrimp. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. This combination creates the perfect spicy, sour, and savory profile. Always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed to match your personal preference for a truly delightful experience. Your incredible Tom Yum Kung soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Ladle the hot soup into individual bowls. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of freshness, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of chopped fresh cilantro leaves. This soup is wonderfully versatile. It makes a fantastic appetizer or a satisfying light main course. Get ready to savor the vibrant and complex flavors you've just created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.